Squishy. Yay, I'm going to a Squishy shop for the first time.
Come in.
Hi.
May I help you? It's Squishy store.
Yeah, I'm actually here to buy stuff. So
Okay.
yeah, Squishy stuff. So can I please just keep my wallet here?
Yeah, sure. Every customer keeps their wallet here.
Okay, thanks. So I see you have so much stuff. Is this a new store open or
Yeah.
how much here? Like okay.
It's like it was like open next last week.
Okay. So I'm actually new here.
Yeah.
So yeah, for first from the brand, I'm just gonna take this perfume.
And everything you see gets squished.
Yeah, this is Squishy store. That's what it's called. I'm gonna get this her. No, I'm not gonna get this. I'm gonna get this. No, which one should I pick?
I think this one is much better.
Yeah, I also think it can fit my mobile.
Okay, whatever you take, I can keep it in that table.
Okay, and what should I see? Oh, it's a Chanel background. Which one?
I think the tablet's much better.
Yeah, I also think that it's an Apple iPhone, Apple iPad. So yeah, you can just keep it over there for now. This section is done for me right now. I'm gonna get this chocolate because I love chocolate and I wanted to eat chocolate because I did not have for like a week.
Okay, yeah, I'll keep it there.
I'll take 2 avocado. No, I'm just gonna take 1 avocado and 1 M&M and 1 Skittle. Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay.
And I'm also gonna take this soap, and this cream, and my toothpaste, and
Not your toothpaste.
yeah, and
the
toothpaste.
toothpaste.
Yeah, and also this tissue. So yeah,
I'll keep it there.
yeah, thank you. Also this, I'm gonna check if I need something more. Yeah, I think this shower gel will be perfect. Also this, yeah. This store is very nice. I just took like half the
Is it
store.
confirmed?
Yeah, I think it's confirmed. I don't know how much is it. Yeah, I just exchanged avocado. Yeah, okay, I'll be back. I actually don't want this Facebook soap, okay? So I'm just gonna like keep it back. Okay.
Here's your wallet.
Yeah, and how much?
22, that will be 22.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
I'll count.
Yes.
I'll count. 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. Oh my god, I have 22 those. Like,
So
thank you.
Thank you for visiting. And yeah, I also forgot to give you. Since you're new, I can give you these two. This lotion. And yeah, for free.
Oh my god, thank you so much. I can get 1 perfume for my sis. And also 1 purse. I can just keep it over there. It's for free, right?
Thank you for visiting.
Yeah, and I can also give you like a tip.
No. It's fine. It's fine. It's
Take,
for
take,
free.
take, take, take.
It's fine.
Tip!
Fine. It's fine.
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you so much. I'll visit again. Bye.
Bye. Make sure you tell everyone.
Okay, this was the best offer ever.
I'm so excited that I'm gonna go to the new Squishy store that my sister told me. It looks like this is it. This is a building. So should I knock?
Oh, come in. Hi, how may I help you?
Oh, I'm finding the store of the Squishy.
Oh, it's right over here. You came to the right place, actually. Over here.
Can I keep my wallet here?
Yeah. This is the wallet place.
Okay.
These are all, you can like see all over.
Can I have these two?
You can just see like all over. Like there's so many. This is a part of the like Bath and Body Works something. This is the food item. This is a bath item, food item, and this is the brand. The brand like Apple, Chanel, Dior, like that.
Okay. Can I have these both?
Okay, sure. I'll Okay.
This skill.
Okay.
I love them. And one more. M&M's.
Okay.
Can I have this lotion?
Okay.
This soap?
Okay.
And yeah, that's all. And this toothpaste.
Okay. This is actually for kids. It's okay.
And can I have some tissues?
Yeah, tissue. Yeah. Now you can come to the checker.
Wait, one more stuff. The snack jar.
This is soap.
And YouTube too.
Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna be taking them and just gonna be putting in your bag, like this bag. I will show you.
Is the name Squishy Shop?
Yes.
Let's see how she does it.
This is gonna take a while. I think this is your grocery shopping of the month.
No.
So you're just like shopping like this.
Yeah, because I heard my friend told me. I mean, my sister.
Yeah. So she just. Why are you taking gift for your sister?
Because she also gave me some.
Yeah, and yeah. The
Yeah.
total
Sorry.
amount is 22.
Can you hold that camera?
No, it's not 22. It's like 10. No, 20. Yeah, 20. Sorry.
10, 15, 20. Is that it?
Yeah. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. I hope so. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for shopping at Squishy Shop. Bye.
Okay, bye. So let's get home and give my sister gifts. Okay, so I'm back home.
Oh, hi, sis.
Oh hey, yeah, I went to the Squishy store
Yeah.
and I got gifts for you.
Yay.
So let's get opening.
Okay.
I'll be here. So close your eyes
Okay.
and open your eyes.
It's an Apple iPad. I always wanted it. Thank you so
And this
much.
is mine, Apple phone.
Ooh.
Good thing these two were only left. These two.
Oh my god.
The next one. Close your eyes. Open it up.
M&M. It is minis. I like it.
And this one is for me, Gucci purse. Okay, the next thing I bought you from the brands Dior.
I love your brand. It's perfect for girls. I was wanted this. Thank you.
The next is this chocolate for you. The next thing, the lotion for both of us. Look at there, right there. This squishy and toothpaste.
For both of us.
Yeah.
You're gonna squeeze it.
The next, close your eyes. Skills for both of us.
Yay! This M&M is also for both of us.
Yeah. The next thing, close your eyes. Is this?
Oh my god, tissue. Well, tissues are left, but only if it's so yeah, this is nice.
This.
Snapchat.
Guess what's it is.
Snapchat.
So, for both of us. And next.
YouTube?
No? You is red, not blue.
Sorry, what is the
It's
I-
blue.
Facebook?
Yeah! Woo! It's both for us. For both of us. And what is this?
It's YouTube. You just showed me.
And that's it.